find the range of the function y is equals to sine 2 times f of x if f of x is equals to pi into square root of x plus 7 minus 4 over x minus 9. So this is the question. So to solve this question, first what you do is solution. The given function is f of x is equals to pi into square root of x plus 7 minus 4 over x minus 9. So the given f of x is this one. So you need to find the range of this function, that is y is equals to sine of 2 times f of x. So before finding the range of this y is equal to sine of 2 times f of x, first we will find the range of this f of x. Then after we will find the range of the sine of 2 times f of x. So for that one, first we find the domain of f of x. First one is first find the domain of f of x, then we will find the range in the domain. So domain of f of x. So when f of x is well defined, when first condition is x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 0, and second condition is x minus 9 is not equal to 0. So here x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 0. So x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 0 implies x is greater than or equal to minus 7 and x is not equal to 9. So these are the conditions. So from these two things we can say that domain of f of x is closed minus 7 comma minus 7 to infinity except 9. So this is the domain of the given function f of x. So now in this domain we will find the range of f of x. So to find the range, let f of x, that is, we take this f of x, so for this f of x, to find the range, what you do is, so here you multiply and divide by root x plus 7 plus 4. Yes, if you multiply and divide by root x plus 7 plus 4, then what you get, this f of x is equals to pi into, in numerator, that is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is x plus 7 minus 16 over x minus 9 times root x plus 7 plus 4. So this is equals to pi into this x plus 7 minus 16, that is x minus 9. X minus 9 over x minus 9 into square root of x plus 7 plus 4. But our domain is what, x is not equal to 9. Therefore, as we know that is since x is not equal to 9, so you can cancel x minus 9 and x minus 9. So this is equals to, now our f of x is equals to pi over root of x plus 7 plus 4. So this is our f of x. Now what we do is, here what we got in numerator, we got constant. Here f of x is equals to pi over root x plus 7 plus 4. Now we can easily find the range of the f of x. So why we have done these manipulations? So if you observe the question in f of x, here numerator and denominator both contains the variable, that is x. So to get rid of the variable in numerator, I have multiplied and divided by root x plus 7 plus 4, so that we get constant in numerator. So f of x equals to pi over root x plus 7 plus 4. Now when f of x takes its maximum value, so here numerator is constant, f of x is maximum when this denominator is minimum. So here f of x is maximum when this denominator is minimum. So for that one, so f of x maximum is equals to pi over this root x plus 7 plus 4 takes its minimum value. So when this root x plus 7 plus 4 takes its minimum value in its domain, what is the domain? Domain is this root minus root 7 to infinity except 9. So our domain of the function is in this domain, that is domain of the function is closed minus 7 to infinity minus 9. So this denominator takes its minimum value at minus 7. So because x plus 7 is an increasing function, therefore it takes its if you see this x plus 7 inside the radical sign, that is y is equal to x plus 7. As x increases, it increases. That's why it takes its minimum value at x equal to minus 7. So therefore f of x maximum is equals to pi over square root of minus 7 plus 7 plus 4. So which is equals to pi over 4. So this is the f of x maximum value. F of x maximum is this one. So now what you do is, now find the minimum value. So f of x minimum is equals to pi over square root of x plus 7 plus 4 maximum. So in its domain, when it takes its maximum value, this root x plus 7 plus 4 takes its maximum value when x goes to infinity. So here, to find the maximum value of root x plus 7 plus 4, we will use the limit, that is pi over limit x tends to infinity root of x plus 7 plus 4. So this is equals to pi over, if as x goes to infinity, root x plus 7 plus 4 goes to infinity. Therefore this limit value, it tends to infinity. Therefore pi over infinity tends to infinity is 0. It goes to 0. So f of x minimum is tends to 0. So now, and one more thing, here x is not equal to 9. Here in a domain does not contains x equal to 9. So now what we do is, for x is equal to 9, what is the corresponding f of x value we will calculate. Then we will write the final range of the function. So f of x, as x is not equal to 9, that implies f of 9 is equals to pi over square root of 9 plus 7 plus 4, that is equals to pi over 9 plus 7 16, that is 4 plus 4, that is pi by 8. So at x is not equal to 9, therefore f of 9 is equal to pi by 8, therefore f of x is not equal to pi by 8, as x is not equal to 9. So here f of x is not equal to pi by 8. Therefore range does not contain this pi by 8. Therefore our range is what? From minimum maximum value. Therefore our range is equal to here from these two things. So we'll call this as 1, and this is 2, and this one is 3. So from 1 comma 2 comma 3, from 1 comma 2 comma 3, range of the function f of x is equals to, sorry, here because it's a limit value, the second one is, that is minimum limit value, that is, therefore it is open 0 to pi by 4 closed minus pi by 8, because pi by 8 is not allowed because x is not equal to 9. Pi by 8. So this is the range of the function f of x. Now come to the question. Our question is what? We need to find the range of sine of 2 of f of x. So we got the range of f of x. Now we will find the range of 2 times of f of x. Just you multiply by 2. Therefore, range of 2 times of, that is, sorry, range of 2 times of f of x is, just you multiply each value with 2. That is 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times pi by 4 is pi by 2 closed, minus 2 times pi by 8 is pi by 4. So this is the range of 2 times f of x. This is the range of 2 times f of x. Now our question is what? Range of sine of 2 times f of x. That is the question. So now to find, now question is range of sine of 2 times f of x is our question. So if you observe the range, it is open 0 to closed pi by 2 except pi by 4. So in this interval, the sine is increasing function. Yes or no? If you see the graph of sine, so from 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, sine is an increasing function. This is 1. Therefore, to find the range of f of x, therefore, in 0 to pi by 2 closed minus pi by 4, sine is increasing function. Therefore, range of sine of 2 times f of x is, therefore sine 0 0, sine 90 is 1 only, minus sine 45 1 by root. So this is the range of sine of 2 times of f of x.